Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from a Snapchat group. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open a Snapchat here and I will tap on the chat icon at the very bottom and to bring up my chat. And I will just go to these groups, the very top one, to give you an example of how you can remove. So I will tap the profile icons at the top left, and you see if I tap at the very right, it gives me the ability to leave group or to add members, but it doesn't give me the ability to remove someone from this group. So of course I can leave the group, but I want to say kick someone out of a group. We just don't like interacting with them. You just have two different options. One of the options is the enhanced options. It's just to create a new group without that one specific person. So by creating a new group without that one specific person, so by creating a new group without them, they won't know that you've created a new group. You can carry on your conversation with everybody except that one specific person. Or if you want to keep them out of this group, what you can do is tap on somebody's name and tap manage. Manage friendship. Now, here what you can do is either block them or remove that friend. So for an instance, if you block them, they'll be removed from the group. And then you can always unblock them down the road if you want to. Or you can completely remove them as a friend and it will remove from this group chat. But of course, they know in both instances you block or remove them because they'll be kicked out of the chat. So what I could recommend is just getting out of here and making a new group chat. And that you do want in a specific group. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!